Neville Miller here, and Neville, we've been tracking these storms so far right now. Tell us what's on radar.
And things are quieting down on radar. Some good news there, Bria, but we've had some huge hail reports. In fact, we've seen a lot of your pictures that you've sent in, so we do really appreciate that. Look at some of these reports. Garden City, 5-inch diameter hail. So you're talking about hail larger than a DVD. Harrisonville, 4-inch diameter hail, so like a teacup. Peculiar, 3-inch diameter hail. Lake Winnebago, also 3-inch diameter hail. And just to give you some perspective here, so again, Harrisonville, softball size hail, and then that Garden City hail, that's larger than a grapefruit, about CD size, and that's exceptionally rare. And then even the tennis ball, the baseball, softball size, very rare, highly uncommon. So some of the largest hail that you're ever going to see. We had some of that really south side of the metro and just southeast a little earlier on this evening.